Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy Google Sheets and Excel tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to reverse first names and last names in Google Sheets using a formula, and how you can do the same in Excel with just a few clicks using Kutools for Excel. If you're working with a long list of names, this trick will save you tons of time. Let's get started. Method 1. Reversing first name and last name in Google Sheets. First, let's start with Google Sheets. Suppose we have a list of names in column A, with first names and last names separated by a space. To reverse them, simply enter this formula in a blank cell. For example, in B2, press enter, and there you have it. The last name and first name have swapped places. Now, drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the entire column. And that's it, a quick way to reverse first and last names in Google Sheets. Method 2. Reversing first name and last name in Excel, using Kutools. Now, let's do the same thing in Microsoft Excel, but in an even easier way using Kutools for Excel. Kutools is an amazing add-in for Excel that provides powerful tools to simplify your tasks. If you haven't installed it yet, check out the link in the description to get your copy. Once you have Kutools installed, here's how you can reverse names instantly. Select the range of names you want to reverse. Click on Kutools in the Excel ribbon. Navigate to Text and click Reverse Text Order. In the Reverse Text dialog box, choose Space as the separator. Click OK, and just like that, all names are reversed in seconds. This method is super useful when dealing with large lists, and Kutools has tons of other features that can make your work in Excel much easier. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to reverse first and last names in Google Sheets and Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more time-saving tips. Also, check out Kutools for Excel using the link in the description. It's a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.